Hi there, Yogi, Virendra Yogi, sisters and brothers of America, France, England, Germany, Japan, Australia, China, everywhere in the world. All my 8 billion sisters and brothers, this is only my request to you that we have to live together in perfect peace and harmony. Peace is very much possible. Peace is the need of hour for everyone. If we fight, we will destroy our all resources, not only wealth, but will destroy our human beings also. That's why it is my earnest request to all the mighty leaders of the nations of the world, unite together, understand the value of peace. Peace should be the prime responsibility of every citizen of the world, because when there is peace, we can lead a life with peace, joy, serenity, calmness. We'll unite together and fight all the evils like corona, and we can give happiness to the entire humanity. But that is very much impossible, because there are a lot of nations who are very crazy. They want dominance, they are hegemonistic, they want to capture different countries, they create turbulence at the borders. They want to grab Taiwan, Hong Kong, Tibet, they want to grab India, they want to instigate and provoke other nations like Nepal to fight with the neighboring countries. I really request you, this kind of heinous attitude is not good for the mankind, because that will definitely give a third world war, and when there is a third world war, then there will be mass destruction. The war will not be fought just with guns and swords and lathis, but that war will be of nuclear war, and the viral which China has spread from its viral centers in China, Wuhan. I tell you, you have seen the pandemic, how it has destroyed the world. The world is at a standstill. There is a lockdown everywhere, and thousands and lakhs of our sisters and brothers have lost their lives. This is just because of the greed. The mankind has lost the way. They want their own power, the might, the economic power, the military power, and they want to capture the South Sea of Indian Ocean. That hegemonistic attitude of China has to be stopped. And for this I appeal to the humanity. The Chinese president, and also the president, my best friend Donald Trump, and president and heads of the states of the different countries, unite. And anybody who want to be Hitler, want to fight the battle at the 7 fronts, unite together and teach such nations lessons. They cannot fight with the whole world. Even the demon Hitler has to suffer. He has to commit suicide, because you cannot defeat the entire humanity. The humanity with lot of love and affection, kindness and compassion in the heart, and all these problems and turbulence is man-made. So the mighty power of the mankind, when they unite, they have the power, they have the ability, the intelligence and wisdom and the smartness to solve such problems also. Peace is very much possible. As it was said once upon a time by my best friend John F. Kennedy, peace at all cost. No war. War has to be prevented. War is the pollution, the impure thoughts of the demons and the enemies of the mankind. I've appealed to the entire humanity. Unite together. Follow the path of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence. And there is only safety, security and happiness of the mankind. The conflict, the wars, the hegemonistic approach of China is not good for the humanity. That's why I suggest you may not listen to me, because I am not Donald Trump, I am not Narendra Modi, but I tell you, I am Buddha. I am the messenger of peace. I am Jesus Christ. I know the value of sacrifice. I know the value of how crucifixion feels. You know it. Peace at all costs. And those who are demon, demolish them. Demolish them. Offense is the best defense. I congratulate Donald Trump raising his voice against the hegemonistic Chinese, the hegemonistic Chinese attitude, the conflict, the distress and the approaching borders with India, fighting unnecessarily for every neighboring countries, capturing Mount Everest, provoking Nepal to fight with India. Can the world men unite and give us a peaceful and secure world. It's possible. Very much possible. Come on, unite. Don't joke. We'll joke together when there is a peace and happiness and there is no spread of such virus like corona. Thank you very much.